Hello there, young science explorers. Welcome to Simply Science TV. Today let's explore the different properties of materials around us. Have you ever stopped to think about all the amazing materials that make up our world? Everything around us, from the chair you're sitting on to the screen you're looking at, is made of different materials with unique properties. Some materials are super strong and hard to break. These materials are often used in construction and other applications where durability is key. Take rocks, for example. They're incredibly hard and can withstand a lot of pressure. Rocks have been used for centuries in building structures that need to last a long time. That's why we use them to build houses and walls. The strength of rock makes it an ideal material for creating foundations and protective barriers. On the other hand, some materials are soft and squishy, like rubber. Rubber is elastic and can be molded into various shapes, making it useful for many different products. You can squish a rubber ball easily, and it bounces back to its original shape. That's called being elastic. Elasticity is a property that allows materials to return to their original form after being deformed. This makes rubber perfect for items that need to absorb impact and return to their shape, like tires and sports equipment. Flexibility and malleability is another cool property of materials. Imagine bending a metal paperclip. It bends easily, right? That's because metal is flexible and malleable. But be careful, bend it too much and it might break. Some materials are not flexible and malleable at all. Try bending a wooden ruler, it won't budge. That's because wood is not as flexible and malleable as metal. Ever wondered why you can see through a window but not a wall? It's all about transparency. Glass is transparent, meaning light can pass through it, allowing us to see what's on the other side. Plastic wrap is another example of a transparent material. We use it to wrap food so we can still see what's inside. Some materials are great conductors of heat and electricity, like the metal in your spoons. Metals such as copper and aluminum have free electrons that allow electricity and heat to flow through them easily. This is why they are commonly used in electrical wiring and appliances. When you stir a hot drink with a metal spoon, the heat travels up the spoon quickly. That's heat conductivity in action. The same principle applies to electrical conductivity. The electrons in the metal move freely, transferring energy efficiently from one end to the other. This is why metal spoons get hot so quickly when placed in a hot drink. Plastic, on the other hand, is not a good conductor. It's an insulator. Insulators are materials that do not allow electricity to flow through them easily. They have tightly bound electrons that do not move freely. This makes them perfect for preventing the flow of electricity. That's why we have plastic coverings on electrical wires, to protect us from getting shocked. The plastic insulation ensures that the electrical current stays within the wires, preventing accidental contact and potential electric shocks. This safety feature is crucial in our daily lives, as it allows us to use electrical devices without the risk of injury. So next time you see a plastic-covered wire, remember the important role it plays in keeping you safe. Brittleness is a property of materials that describes how easily they can break or shatter. Brittle materials like glass or ceramics tend to break without much deformation. This is in contrast to ductile materials, which can bend or stretch before breaking. Understanding brittleness is crucial in fields like construction and manufacturing, where material failure can have significant consequences. Imagine dropping a glass vase. It shatters into pieces instantly. This is because glass is brittle and cannot absorb much energy before breaking. On the other hand, think about a steel rod. It can bend and twist without snapping, thanks to its ductility. Engineers and designers must carefully choose materials based on their brittleness to ensure safety and durability. For instance, using brittle materials in earthquake-prone areas could lead to catastrophic failures. Instead, more ductile materials are preferred to absorb and dissipate energy, preventing sudden breaks. So next time you handle a glass object or a ceramic plate, remember their brittleness and handle them with care. This property not only affects how we use materials, but also how we design and build the world around us. Isn't it fascinating how different materials have different properties? Each material around us has unique characteristics that make it special and useful in its own way. From the hardness of diamonds to the softness of cotton, the world of materials is incredibly diverse and intriguing. These properties make each material useful for specific purposes. For example, we use strong and durable materials like metal and concrete to build bridges and skyscrapers. Metal beams provide the necessary strength to support massive structures, while concrete offers stability and longevity, ensuring that buildings stand tall and firm for many years. We use flexible and elastic materials like rubber and plastic to make things like car tires and toys. Rubber's elasticity makes it perfect for products that need to withstand pressure and movement, such as car tires that grip the road and provide a smooth ride. Plastic, on the other hand, is lightweight and moldable, making it ideal for creating a wide range of everyday items, from toys to household gadgets. And we use transparent materials like glass to make windows and eyeglasses. Glass allows light to pass through while providing a barrier against the elements, making it perfect for windows that let in natural light while keeping out wind and rain. In the hands of skilled artisans, glass can also be transformed into beautiful sculptures and intricate designs, showcasing its versatility and beauty. So, next time you see an object, stop and think about what material it's made of and why. Consider the properties that make it suitable for its purpose. Is it strong, flexible, transparent, or something else? Understanding the materials around us can give us a deeper appreciation for the objects we use every day. Now that we've explored the magical world of materials, let's test your knowledge with a short quiz. Ready? Here we go. Question 1. What material is known for its high conductivity? If you said copper, you're correct. Question 2. Which material can be both hard and soft? Did you guess rubber? Rubber can be soft and flexible, but when it's vulcanized, it becomes hard and durable. Question 3. What property allows materials to bend without breaking? That's right, it's ductility. Question 4. Can you name a material that is transparent? If you thought of glass, you nailed it. Glass is commonly used for windows and eyeglasses because it lets light pass through. Question 5. What is brittleness in materials? Brittleness refers to how easily a material can break or shatter easily. Great job! You've completed the quiz. Keep exploring and learning about the wonderful world of materials. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like and share this video for more simply amazing science videos.